Good evening, masters. Very good evening, good morning, good afternoon, from whichever part of the world you're joining in. This is Madhu Soni, welcoming you all to Light and Soul Meditation English Group Masters. Thank you for being here and sharing your time, space, and energy with each other. So, masters, I, did not want to share any quote today because I thought let's do meditation because we were into full moon, and yesterday it was Raksha Bandhan. So happy Raksha Bandhan, but also we had Purnima also. We are still with that energy, same energies, the full moon energies. So I did not want to waste, that much time in discussing anything. So let's go and meditate with, if you have any questions before I go, please do let me know. We can take it after the class, after 1 hour of meditation. So if you're all ready and set, let's go and meditate, and then we can, share the questions or experiences, whichever you may have. So let me share the meditation music and then we can start meditating. Okay, so take your position, masters. And when I say position, you have to cross your feet, cross your ankles, and crisscrossing and clasping your hands and fingers. Okay, masters. So I'm sharing 1 hour music, flute music. Let's set. If you have pyramid, use pyramid. If you don't, this is the pyramid we are using, masters. Like this is a brass one. I do have a copper one. So this is a copper pyramid. So if anyone wishes to sit and meditate with pyramid, you can also call them and invoke them astrally. Okay. I will invoke for you guys, everyone. Okay, masters. Okay, so clasping your hands and fingers, masters, closing your eyes, and with your in breath and out breath, we are going to meditate peacefully in a relaxing, calm, and serene way. We have to close our eyes. Let your body feel relaxed with every in breath and out breath. At the start of this meditation, try to focus inwards and take a deep in breath. The starting 5 to 6 breaths or 7 to 8 breaths, whichever you feel comfortable with. You can take deep in breaths and slowly breathe out and feel relaxed all over again. As you breathe in, masters, remember that you are breathing in through your nostril. Let it come onto your third eye region, or let it enter your eyes and feel totally peaceful and relaxed and calm. We are surrounded with full moon energies at this time, not only on the day of full moon, but 2 days before full moon, on the full moon day, and also after 2 days. Till 2 days, we still are in the full moon energies. As you breathe in and breathe out, feel life force energy entering through your nostril. As you breathe in, try to keep your body still and steady. We are sitting cross-legged, clasping our hands and fingers, keeping them on our lap, and closing our eyes. So feel the energies rising up as you breathe in and breathe out. And try to relax your head space. Let go of any thoughts at this time. This is your me time, your time that you have curated for yourself. And during this time, let no one bother you, not even a single thought. If they still arise, You just need to remember that you have to come back to your breath. Try to focus on your in breath and out breath. The more slow and deep you breathe, it will do the miracle. It will do the magic. To take it one breath at a time, take 10 seconds as you breathe in and 10 seconds as you breathe out. And you will feel the magic happening within you. We give our regards to all the masters, guides, guardian angels, Pitama Brahma Rishi Patri Ji, Mahavatar Baba Ji, and all those masters, ascended masters, astral masters, and the masters from the divine realms, the keepers of the light to help us, guide us. May they increase our knowledge and wisdom by sharing their consciousness with us. Let us request them to connect with their consciousness. Let us all invoke the pyramids and the crystals from the astral world, and any masters who would like to connect with us from the divine realms, from the astral realms, with the divine white light. We call upon the golden pyramid from the astral world, quartz crystal, to amplify our energies at this time. As you breathe in and breathe out, try to keep your body steady and still. Keep your back, your shoulders straight, but not tight. Let your spine feel the pull of every in breath and out breath. Let this in breath enter your heart and lungs, even your diaphragm, feeling the pull, upward pull of every in breath. And as you release this breath, let your diaphragm relax. Feel it in your gut, your stomach, your abdomen, and the lower parts of your abdomen. Your hands, your fingers are all relaxed, feeling the energies of life force entering through every in breath and out breath. Relaxing the lower half part of your body, the waist region, thighs, knees, calf muscles, going down into your feet, your heels, ankles, the soles of your feet and toes. Whenever there is full moon, our body senses heightened energies, not only our body but our mind. As we enter the full moon cycle, the water bodies from the planet Earth are also being pulled up in the form of high tide or low tide. The same happens to our body's water. The water, the fluids present in our body. in the glands, in the organs, in our body, in our veins, arteries, the blood that flows, the circulation that happens. Our mind also experiences irritation, happiness, excitedness, lot of emotional changes takes place. And when you meditate at this time, it brings a balance into our mind, into our body, into our heart. We get 4 times more energy at this time when we meditate with pyramids, and also 3 times more energy during full moon. During full moon, you can meditate the whole night to gain more energy. Heal your body, your pran sharir, that is your etheric layer. You can heal all the layers of your body with the help that you get during full moon, and also getting help from the astral realms, from the astral doctors, master surgeons. As you inhale and exhale, masters, be with your natural, normal, easy, free flowing breath. Let your breath. Take your time in breathing in and breathing out. There is no competition with anyone, just being with your breath. Try to keep your closed vision steady as well, masters. Keep it still. Try to focus either on your frontal part of your nostril or on the third eye region, which you can find it between the two eyebrows. So breathe in, take your time and go deeper, more deeper with every single breath coming in and going out. Whenever you feel thoughts arising, try to take deep in breaths and slow out breaths. The more slower and steadier you go, it will do the wonders, masters. Take your time. There is no rush, no competition with anyone. After a whole day's work, when you come and you be with yourself, you meditate, you can feel the difference It brings clarity, peace of mind, and it instills rejuvenation into your body. So feel this change with every in breath and out breath. Go deeper, masters. Breathe in deeply and breathe out slowly. Let go of any thoughts that bother you, masters. Come back to your breath. Come back and go deeper and deeper, more deeper, and keep your focus at one single point. When we feel hungry, we have food to eat, and this pacifies our body, this pacifies our stomach, and the hunger goes away. We feel satisfied. In the same way, when our body needs energy, we meditate. But when the soul is hungry, it always looks for meditation. It looks for peace and calm. Why? Because the soul is always searching for that peace, for serenity, calm, the joy and bliss that comes with meditation. And when you become one with your breath, when you become meditative, you reach higher states of consciousness. You start getting this cosmic energy when your mind becomes thoughtless. And the best way to become thoughtless is to become one with your breath and to go deeper within your own self in finding yourself. So be with yourself, be with your in breath and out breath. Whenever you feel thoughts arising, remember and be aware that you are breathing. As you breathe in, masters, and breathe out, start feeling the sensation of becoming one with yourself, with your spirit, and this divine universe. Become one with everything, as if your body doesn't exist. You see yourself as a soul, as a flame that is being lit. As you breathe in and breathe out, masters, you become one with yourself. You let go of your thoughts and you get more and more cosmic energy, which enters your crown, goes into your body, into the 72,000 parasympathetic nerves, which helps you heal yourself, your thoughts, and your body, and your state, where consciousness and energy increases. You start becoming more clearer and clearer with your thought process, with your intelligence and wisdom. You start understanding big concepts. When you attain lot of energy, you are in that forgiving mode. You become more loving. You start sharing unconditional love with everyone. You forgive people easily and you let go things easily. So meditate daily and go deeper with every in breath and out breath. 15 more minutes, masters. Take your time. Take your breath seriously. Meditation is the food for the soul. Where, when you meditate, you grow spiritually, and spiritual growth is the root, and physical health is the fruit. Every breath that comes in is filled with rejuvenation, recharging your body, mind, and soul, even your spirit. Feel blessed that you receive this wonderful life force energy every now and then without any partiality. We have so many blessings in our life. We receive wonderful cosmic energy day and night, every second, every microsecond, nanosecond. Our breath is so rejuvenating, peaceful, and calm. Mother Nature, Mother Earth, and Father Universe have blessed us with wonderful things, wonderful energies, positivity. There are miracles, magical things happening around us. Are we ready to see it? Or are we in the complaining mode? Let go of all the complaints. Be in the gratitude mode. Be grateful for everything you receive. Be grateful for even a small thing that you have in your life. At least we have a roof on our head, clothes to wear, and food to eat. We breathe easily. We have water to drink, a good bed to sleep, and so many things in our lives. Aren't we blessed? Let's be grateful that we are together here, meditating peacefully. 5 more minutes, masters. Very slowly and steadily. Let us all come back into our body's consciousness. With every deep in breath and out breath, feel each and every breath, masters. Every second, every minute counts. Use this last 5 minutes to your advantage. Let us be thankful to all the masters, guides, guardian angels, and all the divine beings from the divine realms, any masters from the white light, and all those masters who are guiding us at this time. Our great gratitude and thanks to all the pyramids from the astral world, crystals from the astral world, thanking the golden pyramids and the full moon energies that we received. As you breathe in and breathe out, masters, take your time in coming back into your body's consciousness very slowly and steadily. Let us straighten up our spine. Take your own time. There is no rush. But still, if anyone wants to come out at this time, let us begin the process by straightening our spine, neck, and head. With deep in breaths, try to bring your body into your own consciousness. Feel your feet, your toes, your hands. Very slowly, whenever you feel that you are now becoming more aware, let us all unclasp our hands and fingers. You can move your toes, your fingers, your hands. Now for 5 seconds, you can keep the palm of your hands on your eyes and on the third eye region. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Whenever you are comfortable and ready, masters, you can open your eyes beneath your palm. With a deep in breath and out breath, very slowly you may let go of your palms and open your eyes and come out with a beautiful smile, masters. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Whoever wishes to stay in the meditative states, they can. If you have any questions or any experiences to share, please do so. Take your time. Thank you so much, masters. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. I know the music is little slow and many people would not be okay with the slow music, but I say just enjoy. We have to be with our breath, and sometimes it's, our body, our mind feels not to even hear the music or be very silent. That is what we feel. So either ways, we have to sit with ourselves and also with the group today. As this was the full moon meditation, I haven't mentioned in the flyer, but as you all know, we are going through full moon. So doing this full moon meditation and thanking our astral masters, the full moon energies, the cosmic energy and the life force energy, and feeling the same, because feeling is the key, masters, with this human body. I hope you all felt energetic with meditation. If anyone wishes to share their experiences, they can. If not, that's okay too. Hello, Sonalji. I see you smiling. Oh, Sonalji had raised her hand. Yes. Yes, Sonalji.
इतने समय के बाद आपसे बात हो रही है।
Yes, because I was out. I was on vacation.
आत्मवंदन मैम,
Atvandan,
आत्मवंदन
Sonalji.
और
Atvandan.
मास्टर,
Atvandan.
थैंक यू
Thank you.
हर
Thank you.
बात के लिए।
आपको भी.
आज मैं बैठी, जैसे ही बैठी तो इन्फिनिटी की साइन गोल्डन प्रकाश में दिखी,
Beautiful.
और फिर बीच में जैसे पूरे शरीर को प्रकाश नीचे से ऊपर तक दिखती रही, तो प्रकाश ही प्रकाश दिख।
Wonderful.
हाँ, आज ऊर्जा 2 दिन से, ये पूनम है ना, तो जैसे ऊर्जा आज ज्यादा लग रही है।
Wonderful. Yes. Still, it is there, but because the music was very slow, for many people might.
हमें एक्सपीरियंस नहीं भूलना था, आपसे बात करनी थी बस।
No problem. No problem. Thank you, Sonalji. Thank you so much. I felt the same thing जब आपने बोला कि infinity का symbol, because मैं every time, as you all know, for all the masters, that I do saging, smudging, and मैं
आज मेरा
एनर्जी
रह
क्लीन
गया था
करती हूँ.
सीजी।
हाँ, तो देखिए, जैसे ये है, ये
हाँ,
पालो सांटो है. तो मैं इसको, तो आज जब मैं इसको क्लीन कर रही थी, जब हम शुरू ही कर रहे थे, तब दैट टाइम वाज क्लीनिंग. सो मैं सबके नाम के आगे से जा रही थी, सबको क्लीन कर रही थी और अपने आप को भी क्लीन ऐसे करके. तो मैंने वो इन्फिनिटी का ही सिंबल बनाया था.
ओ ऐसा क्या, वाह।
आई फेल्ट इट, सो आई डिड इट. और अभी आप मुझे बोल रहे हो और मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा सुन के.
सही
तो
में यार,
थैंक यू सो मच, सोनल जी. थैंक यू,
इतना
होमा जी.
कैसे हो जाता है।
Because we are all
बहुत अच्छा,
connected, है ना, for people who are
राइट।
who can see vision, like the third eye visions are very prominent for them. For those people, we are totally connected with the same quantum field. Thank you. Yeah, I would like to know, Zoom user, who are you? Because I sometimes, would like to know the name, uh, so that I know that yes, you are here every time. Just wanted to know. Uh, anyway. Thank you. And as you all know, yesterday it was, oh, thank you. Okay, Madhavi ji. Try to put your name if you can with the renaming, so that we know we are connecting with the same people. And also, as you all know, that I was speaking about full moon. When there is full moon, try to charge your crystals, masters. If you have crystals at home, if you keep some gems, crystals, please do charge them under full moon, especially selenite and quartz. You don't need to put quartz, but still, what you can do before the full moon comes, you can always keep a plate, a glass plate, and put your crystals on top of the plate, and then put salt, the home salt, the how to say, the salt that you take in with food. So you can place the salt on top of your crystals gems, let it sit for 24 hours, like one whole day, and the next day you can always take it out and then charge under the full moon. They become clean, they become energetic, so next time when you use them, you are connecting with those cleaned and energized crystals. You can also you can also put intentions at this time after cleaning also, okay, masters? So do that. And for people who feel a lot of irritation, or they feel there are a lot of mood swings, changes, or emotional trauma going on with them, or you feel very moody, emotional, uh, I think you are an empath. So try and do your salt ritual. By meaning salt ritual, it is that use some salt in a bucket of water or in a mug, jug, whatever you have. When you go for shower, put some salt in your bucket. And I don't have anything to show you right now, but as you know, for example, okay, let's take this. Suppose this is the jug or mug, whatever. This is a candle jar. Okay. So don't uh, feel that this candle jar is empty. Okay. So you have put your salt, Epsom salt, or even your food salt, whatever you want to, you put it here and then pour water in it, fill it, and then shake it so that or put your hand and stir it, and then you can just wash your body with it. Why I'm saying this is a very prominent salt ritual, very helpful. When you do this, your body actually, whatever it is absorbing any negativity, that negativity is being released. So when you pour that salt water on your body, always say that whatever negativity I have absorbed, it's washing down now, going down into the drains, and I am totally clean from head to toe. And so you have to pour that water from head to toe, and then take shower with normal water, without salt water. Okay, take shower like the normal, how you do it every day. So do that and see the change. Okay, and especially during full moon time, people who have lot of health issues, health challenges, you can always sit and meditate for more like longer hours. For people who are new, definitely it will be difficult. It is not easy, I know, and you need more stamina, you need more practice, but you will do it. So it's not as if sometimes I also can't sit. It's okay, don't need to worry about that. But do your at least 30 minutes of practice, 30 minutes of meditation every day. For people who can do more, they definitely need their own 3 hours. I would say if you are after 30 minutes of meditation, you feel good and happy, good for you. For people who need 3 hours, just imagine. So they need their 3 hours. For people
और
who
मैम
need,
एक बात और
yeah,
बोलनी थी
बोलिए.
कि आज अब अभी मैं गाय गाय दिखी और सुबह बैठी थी सुबह की कल गाय का सिर्फ मुंह दिखा था
Mm-hmm.
आज गाय दिखी
Okay. So that means when you see it's just the symbol, symbolically, when you see a cow and the face, basically, what does the cow do with her mouth area?
हाँ,
बताइए.
पता नहीं
जुगाली
बराबर से अच्छे
जुगाली
तो
करती है, बेसिकली वो बार बार चू करती है खाने को, कई बार चबाती है. जैसे बोलते हैं ना, उसका मतलब ये निकलता है कि खाना आप जो खा रहे हो, उसको अच्छे से खा के चबा के आप खाइए. जो पूरा चब जाए, काफी टाइम लेते हैं ना, कितने कितने बार आपको उस
9-10 चबाना है
हाँ, 32 बोलते हैं. आई थिंक,
32।
पता नहीं
हाँ
कुछ
32 भी
है।
होता है,
हाँ
लेकिन
कुछ तो
कम
बोलते
से
हैं।
कम 9 बोलते हैं।
हाँ तो आप अच्छे से चबाइए उसको, चबाने के बाद आप उसको डाइजेस्ट करें। लेकिन ऐसा ही बोलते हैं,
ओके।
कोई भी चीज का थॉट आता है उसको हमको अपने दिमाग में रखना चाहिए, पहले सोचना चाहिए बोलने से पहले, तो हम क्या बोल रहे हैं वो भी। फिर आपको पूरी गाय दिखी, उसके बाद दैट मीन्स गाय जो है वो कामधेनु है, उसकी हर चीज हमें यूज होती है ना। तो जैसे गाय का जो शरीर है उसमें जो खाना जाता है वो अंदर स्टोर कर लेती है, और फिर से जुगाली करती है, बाहर निकालती है, फिर से वो चबाती है। देखना गाय का मुंह चलता रहेगा। सो कई बार सोचती है, तो अपने दिमाग में हम कई सारे थॉट्स प्रोसेस करते रहते हैं। वी थिंक लॉट ऑफ थॉट्स, राइट? सो बिफोर वी
बहुत
स्पीक
थॉट आते
वी नीड टू थिंक अबाउट व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू स्पीक। सो थैंक यू सोनल जी फॉर दिस वंडरफुल
हैं।
एक्सपीरियंस शेयरिंग।
थैंक यू।
थैंक यू सो मच।
लव यू ऑल, लव यू।
थैंक यू सोनल जी। So thank you everyone. If you don't have any experience or any questions to ask or share, let's end the session, masters. Definitely we'll meet tomorrow, and today is Tuesday. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday we have off. As now I'm taking little off also, like basically holiday for myself to work on myself and my home, my family. Anyhow, not to keep you more here, masters, take your time, use your time wisely, enjoy your day and night, and rest, and take stock of things. Whatever you do, what you need to do, what you don't need to do. Do this mental cleaning, but before that, try to clean your closets. This is a physical way to do your mental cleaning, I would say. So take stock of things. It will only happen when you clean your closets, when you clean your home space, when you declutter. And that way, it will help you clean your mind, clean your thoughts. When you let go of old things from your closet, old things from your house, old things from wherever you have placed it, that actually gives you more power, more clarity, and you will see a beautiful change in yourself. Okay, masters? So thank you so much, everyone. And may we all be happy, healthy, and vibrant. May peace, abundance, joy, good health, and wealth accompany us every time, wherever we go, wherever we are. Let us do meditation with ourselves individually as well as with group. Let us help teach meditation to others, awaken others, but do our much needed inner work whenever we can, wherever we can, every day. Do it regularly. Thank you so much, masters. Love you all. Stay blessed, stay happy, and stay grounded. Thank you. Thank you so much.